In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online tutorial, how to export QBO data to Excel. If you're looking to analyze your numbers outside of QuickBooks or share clean reports with your team, exporting to Excel is a quick, reliable way to do it. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into QuickBooks Online and that your user role has permission to export data. Let's start by heading to the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen. This is your settings hub, and it's where you'll find tools related to your company, your lists, and your data. Click that gear icon to open the menu, and then select Export Data. This takes you to a simple page designed specifically for choosing what you want to download. On the export page, you'll see options to include reports or lists. Reports are things like your profit and loss, balance sheet, and other financial summaries. Lists include your customers, vendors, chart of accounts, products and services, and more. Select exactly what you need. If you only want certain items, pick those. If you need a broader snapshot, you can include multiple items at once. Next, choose the date range for the data. This is important. Use a preset like last month or last year if that fits your purpose, or select a custom range if you need a specific window, such as a project period or a fiscal quarter. Double-check the dates so your export captures everything you expect and nothing you don't. If you're preparing a large export, consider narrowing the date range to keep the file size manageable and ensure a faster download. Once your selections are set, scroll to the bottom right and click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will prepare your file and start the download. Depending on your browser, the file will usually land in your default Downloads folder. If nothing appears, check for any pop-up blockers or download prompts that may need your confirmation. The exported file will open in Excel, and you can also use other spreadsheet tools that support Excel files if you prefer. From here, you can sort, filter, and format your data for presentations, audits, or deeper analysis. It's a good idea to save a copy with a clear name that includes the date range, so you can quickly find it later and keep a clean archive of your exports. And there you go. Your QuickBooks Online data is now in Excel, ready to use. That's all. If this helped, consider organizing a regular export schedule so your records stay consistent and easy to report on. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.